All right, so this is our example for cadmium. So we're going to find it first on the periodic table, as we always do, and your energy levels and your orbitals should already be labeled, as mine are here. So then we're going to look at we're going to go ahead and look at our next slide where we have all our energy levels labeled, we have our orbitals labeled, and we have circled what we're trying to find. So we're going to start with hydrogen as always. So we start with our first energy level. We are in the s orbital, and we have to go through we're going to fill, 2 electrons are going to fill. So through the hydrogen, through the helium, those 2 electrons are going to fill that orbital. So with 1s2, we move down to the second energy level. We're still in the s orbital. We have 2 electrons that are going to fill those energy levels, the lithium, beryllium. So it's 2s2. Then we go across to 2p, and there are 6 electrons, so 6 lines through those elements. So we have a 6 as our superscript. So on through the third energy level for S and for P, once again crossing off every element, and that's going to get us our superscript. Now, here's where things change a little bit. Even though we have the d orbital, we're still going down. So we start with 4, our energy level of 4. We're still in the s orbital, and we have 2 elements we put slashes through. There's 2 electrons filling those orbitals. Right? Then, if you notice, the energy level changes for the d orbital. So it's now 3d, and we do the exact same thing. We cross out how many elements we're going through, because that's how many electrons are filling that orbital. We have 3d10. Okay? Now we keep going across the periodic table. We're back in the 4 energy level, and this is for p, and we have 6 elements we go through. All right, so the only thing, just be careful with your d energy levels. So then we have 5 energy levels. We're in the s orbital. We go through 2. 4 for the d. We go through all 10. And last but not, which is going to land us on our cadmium. All right, so just be careful on your d orbitals about your energy levels, because they're going to change.